joining us. Dhanraj Vanjari is former ACP of Mumbai Police. I want to go across to Dhanraj Vanjari, who's the former ACP with Mumbai Police. So the problem is that nothing happens to these people who go around disturbing businesses, either, ransacking businesses or attacking owners and workers. Nothing happens to them.
I think there are overlapping of the issues. The main issue is the student psychology having educational orientation that from the beginning of first standard there should not be third language. And the issue has gone from social era to politics, and politics has overruled all such importance of welfare of the children, and they came on the street and doing this kind of incidences. I will never support the assault on the issue of language. If you ask me, my 45 years I stayed in this city. I came from Maharashtra, Nagpur, and I say every language been respected in this city. I speak Hindi, I wrote my Urdu poetry, I speak Gujarati, I speak Marathi. It goes on, it's a normal passion. But if you want to politicize the issue and make a issue out of it, or make some stunt that we are doing it for Marathi Manos and we are like that. So in that case, whatever political faction responsible for this kind of a violent incident, I will not support, and I will appeal the Home Department who has actually been a cause for all these things. Had they not been pampering Hindi compulsory, it would not have happened. They have given the access to this political friend of theirs that to do like this, so their publicity will come.
And no, but sir, can I ask you? I understand this is about publicity. I understand that. But what is the police's role here? Wouldn't you concede that no action actually happens because this is all happening under a political sheltering of certain elements?
Police have to take action, and they are legally bound by law to take action. As per my recent report, the police have already grilled them, and they are put under the inquiry. They have been stopped, and the undertaking been taken, and whatever legal procedure the police has to follow, police is certainly doing it. But my last point, let me speak a sentence. As Shaina ma'am has brushly passed the thing that the media shouldn't do it. You said that they are becoming hero, but what about that you are adding to their heroism? Why these spaces should be shown to the people so many times on video clip? This one thing makes them add into certain values, and they have a political benefit thereby. So that
I'll tell you why we're showing it. Sir, I'll tell you why we're showing it.
Social responsibility factor cannot be undermined by media in this. Yuvani ma'am, I request you.